Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to try and breathe some new life into this dated PC that I picked up on Marketplace. To tell you a bit about the build, the case is a Corsair Carbide Spec 2, the motherboard is an Asus M5 A97, the CPU is an AMD FX 8320E, the GPU is a Sapphire Radeon R9 280X. All this is powered by an EVGA 750 watt Supernova PSU. The computer comes with two 1TB Western Digital hard drives as well as an uninstalled Corsair 280mm AIO. Altogether, I'm in for about $400. I'm still not sure if I got shafted or not, but I guess we'll find out. I hope you liked the video. For the CPU, we went with a Ryzen 5 2600 paired with an Asus TUF B450 Plus gaming motherboard. This combination will be a huge improvement over the previous processor and motherboard. For memory, we went with 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance Pro at 3200 megatransfers per second with RGB, of course. For case fans, we installed 4 white up here 120mm fans with some great RGB effect, and an additional 140mm Corsair fan on the back side of the AIO, which is probably overkill, but man does it flow some air. For the power supply, I swapped out the 750 watt EVGA for a more appropriate 650 watt Gigabyte P650B. Both units are non-modular with hideous mismatched wires. For the graphics card, we're using a Gigabyte 1660 Ti from a previous build. Even though it's not a 30 series, or even a 20 series for that matter, the 1660 Ti still puts up great numbers, even when compared to an RTX 3050 or an RX 6600. And it's the perfect card for this combination.